Let's do the first post in Swagraam app. Now, click on Programs. Click on Storytelling tile. Now, click on Registration tile. Fill up the location details and update. Click on Submit Story and then Upload Stories. Locations are pre-filled with your registered locations. Choose to modify if needed. Select appropriate category for your post and proceed. Read 5 points under Please Note and click on OK. Please note card disappears. Enter title and description. Choose photo, video as needed. Click Allow. Choose photos or videos and click OK. Top right corner. Scan horizontally to review all the selected photos or videos. Then click on Post. Your first post uploaded successfully. Click on OK and see your post in the home screen. Scroll down to see your post in home screen. Scroll horizontally to see all the selected media in your post. Click on this pop-out icon. Detailed view comes like this. Excited to show this to your friends? Go ahead and share. Get more likes, comments. Inspire them to download Swagraam app. Thank you.